Hi guys, it's Miss Krim. I just wanted to come on and talk about our lesson frame for our weather unit. So, first of all, we need to talk about climate and what climate is. And climate is the general conditions of the weather in a place or a region. So, for instance, where we live in Kentucky, and in Louisville, our climate is we have all four seasons. So we have a warm summer. We have a hot summer. We have a warm spring, and with milder conditions. More sun and rain, and in the spring, and in the fall we have the changing of where the leaves die out and they fall from the trees in the autumn, and we have more mild, rainy, cooler temperatures, and in the winter we have cold, sometimes snow, and those are our general conditions. So that is the climate where we live. Different places in the world have different climates. Some places are cold all year round, and some places are hot all year round. That is the climate of that area. So, getting to this unit, this weather unit, our we will is that we will describe weather patterns in our area after observations. So your I will is I will observe. Remember, we learned observe at the beginning of the year means to see, to look at. So we're going to observe the weather. And that's part of what your science is going to be. You're going to be journaling what the weather is for a few days. So you're going to observe, and then you're going to write down the weather. That's your data. You're keeping track of data like a scientist. And then you will describe patterns over time. So after we observe the weather for a few days, we'll stop and we will look at any patterns that we see, and we'll think about what time of year it is right now and what the general climate is, and see if there are any changes, because sometimes we have some changes and some drastic ones. So we'll just see. Remember, we are in the spring right now. So generally in the spring, we have milder temperatures, a little more rain and clouds than we would in the summer. And it is a little warmer than it was in the winter. So we'll just see what happens.